chicken cam. Well, folks. At least these girls and boy didn't get the turd flu. Anyhow, it's about 50 degrees today. Been raining for a bit. Things are getting dried out some. I'm gonna do a little tilling. I've got some garlic coming in, and I got the grass creeping in on it. So I gotta fire up the little tiller. Well, folks, it's finally dried up a bit after a little bit of a monsoon. You can see I gotta mow the lawn here, but like I always say, the biggest waste of time is mowing lawn and snow blowing. But anyway, what I'm gonna do now is fire up this little tiller here. I've got some garlic coming in, and I planted last fall, and I need to till the grass that's creeping in on it. So let's see if this baby will fire up. Haven't been started since last fall or August. Choke it. Oh yeah. Well, maybe I'll put some fresh fuel in that and see what seems to be running okay after not being started all winter. Put some fresh fuel in it, get this stuff tilled up. I'll see you in a few. Yeah, it seemed to be running pretty good. Just glad I didn't have to give the old Raymond chainsaw toss. Oh yeah. Oh, turn it on, it might help.
When you go walking after midnight, over on the wrong side of town, walk down any street, many lost souls you meet, whose lives have been broken like mine. You'll find souls wandering out in dark, whose place in life they'll never find. Wandering aimless sailors, whose lives are broken like mine. When you go walking after midnight, over on the wrong side of town, walk down any street, many lost souls you meet, whose lives have been broken like mine. Thank God, got a home to go to, and a woman's love keep you warm. You won't find stars in honky tonks and bars. Go home to your woman's loving arms. When you go walking after midnight, over on the wrong side of town, walk down any street, many lost souls you meet, whose lives have been broken like mine.
Well, I got that taken care of. As you can see, this little tiller is pretty, you can get pretty surgical with your plants, so if you don't have one of these, you might want to consider it. It saves a little time in weeding, because you can get those tines going and get right up close and personal with taking out the weeds close to the plants. Yeah, it works pretty good, and can't remember where I got this one. This is an Echo brand, but they're all clones of the Mantis. I think that was the original. Maybe I got this at Lowe's or something, but I usually put a carburetor on there once a year because they gunk up with the ethanol gas. Apparently if you use the recreation fuel, it doesn't have the ethanol in it. You don't have to worry about that, so I probably need to start doing that. But anyhow, folks, garden season will be here before too long, so we'll catch you in a few.